Hello, today we are in Wexford and we are staying in the White's Wexford Hotel. This is how they call White's of Wexford. This is not the first time when we came here. We visited one time, and when we sat on the reception, the lady said straight away, we will be upgraded. So I'm going to show you our upgraded room now. We have a wardrobe here. And oops, well, was a bit too, I'm not sure what you can see, but we have hangers, we have slippers, we even have a fan, this for ironing, and of course iron if you need. Then there is a space for your luggage. We just arrived, so we didn't take out anything yet. We have plenty of space here, at least more than what we used to. Look at this. And we have two beds, one double bed and one single bed. Amazing. Then there is a TV with a cupboard. And when I saw this coffee machine, I was straight away thinking, where is the mug? Because usually we got mugs and coffee and teas and everything. And when I started to look for it, I just found that they actually hide them here. So we got the mugs, we got some biscuits inside, we have the kettle, and obviously sugar, tea, milk, everything what you need. We have the safe here. And there is a small fridge. And we have free water, which is great. And there is a hairdryer here. Nothing else. Obviously some chairs, more chairs with a small table. You can sip your coffee. I will try. And we have this massive window. Well, by the way, I absolutely love this window. The view is not the best here, but I'm trying not to look this side because that is actually really nice. Well, not now because it's cloudy, but look at this. I love it. Oh, you can see absolutely everything, and they have a cute terrace there on the roof. How cute is that? There. I don't know if it's like visible. There. How cute it is. But yeah, it's cool. I love this. And we can even open the window if we want to. We will not because it's raining, but we could. And then I am going to show you the bathroom. So let's just go in. So there is a small bin, of course. We have towels, soaps, we have the mirror and the sink, some soaps, tissues, more towels here. We have the toilet and we have bathtub, which we're not used to because everywhere where we're going they actually have a shower, but this room have a bathtub. So here you have some towel rack if you need, but yeah, So that's it about the room. I am going to show you how it looks from outside, and the location also really good because it's in city center, which is great, and that's why we came here, because it's really it's in really good place. And also probably I will try to show you the hallway when we're coming back. Yeah. Checked out from the hotel, and I would like to add some information. So when we first time we was here, even then we had issue with the cards. So basically we checked in, we had our checking cards, room cards, and when you try to use the elevator, they just don't work.
One of them didn't work.
Last time none of them was working. Now only one of them. So I went back, asked them. It's a 1 minute issue. It's annoying, but they can resolve it very quickly. Not an issue. Another thing, which is a bit more annoying, that when we left the room yesterday afternoon, we went out and we left the don't disturb paper on the door handle. When we came back in the night, someone actually was in the room because the paper was inside. Probably they left toilet paper, towels, but still we didn't like the fact that we left the paper outside, do not disturb, and someone entered the room because we left everything outside, passports, like everything, yeah. Anyway, we didn't like it. My husband went down to reception.
Yeah, we apologized a lot.
Yeah, they said sorry, and then later on we called the room. We went down, and again they apologized, and the maid was there. They even find out who entered the room, what happened, and she apologized, and yeah, I think, yeah, it's okay. Hopefully, she's not gonna enter the room anymore, but yeah, nothing is missing, and yeah, it was annoying, and I think, I don't know, I just didn't like the fact that they went in without, kind of permission. No?
Well, explanation given to me was that the maids gave the list of the rooms that need to be done to each other, and our room was on the list as potentially still need to be done. She walked around, she saw that the do not disturb sign is off, and
which was not off. I know it was not off because I left it, and I 100% I remember because I took it off and put it back, and we made sure it's not flipped. Anyway, it was there, but I think she just wanted to cover herself. Anyway, nothing is missing. Day was nice. Apologized.
this is going to be a good lesson to